sana sakit oi, awak nak terima hisar kelas.
Once again, I would like to welcome you all. Absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this beautiful occasion. Okay. It is an absolute honor to stand here today and welcome you all to this occasion, to this beautiful occasion. We are gathered here to celebrate the love and union of Miss P.K. Samakia and groom Sir B.P. Meena. Two incredible souls who have found here forever in each other. Marriage is not just about finding right person. It's all about loving and cherishing them every single day. Today, as they exchange vows and promises, let us all witness it and bless the beginning of their lifelong journey. So, let's fill this place with joy, love, and celebration. As we watch these two become one, let the ceremony begin. Thank you, Jatana Hamdai. We also fill this place with joy, love, and celebration as we watch these two become one, united in life together forever. On behalf of bride P.K. Samakia and groom B.P. Meena, I would like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Your presence here today means the world to them, and it's a testament to the love and support that surrounds them as they begin this new chapter. Some of you have traveled from near and far, and we truly appreciate the effort you have made to be here. Weddings are not just about two people coming together, but about families and friends uniting to celebrate love, joy, and lifelong commitment. So sit back, relax after this program and enjoy this beautiful celebration. Let's make this day filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. As we gather here today, we are not just witnessing a wedding, we are celebrating a love story that has brought two amazing people together, Miss PK Samatia and groom. We also bless them all as well. As we all are here, as we witness their commitment, let us also celebrate their love and unity that has brought us all together. To the family and friends present today, your love, guidance and blessing means everything to this couple. Always remember this and we must appreciate it. And also, your presence is a reminder that love is not just between two people, but is here among all who surround us and surround them. So let us embrace this beautiful moment. Let us celebrate love. And let us, every person present here has played a part in their life, whether as family, friend, mentor, or companion. Your presence today is not just a gesture of support, but a symbol of the love and community that will continue to surround them in their marriage life. There will be sunshine and laughter, but also storm that tests their strength. Yet as we celebrate their union today, we know that bride Miss PK Samatia and groom Mr. BP Mina have built a foundation of love, trust and respect that will carry them through everything ever to exchange both. Let us remember that we have a role in their journey. We are here not only as witnesses, but as a support system, a family of love, always ready to encourage, uplift, and remind them of the growth they make today. So with full heart and joyful spirit, let us move forward with this beautiful ceremony, celebrating the love story of two amazing people who are about to begin the greatest adventure of all marriage. With full heart and joyful spirit, let us move forward with this beautiful ceremony. up through life challenge and celebrating each other.
ได้รู้ว่าจะต้องไปครอบครัวฮะไปที่ก็เอาไปอยากสนิท
With all our hearts of this wedding ceremony of united in life together forever. May your marriage be filled with joy.